Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Free X Drop. Hope you are enjoying your day. And today we are going to be discussing on how to collect like terms in mathematics. Yes, how to collect like terms. And please, if you are new to this channel, I would advise that you subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe so that you can see more of our interesting videos that you can learn from. Yes, so you can also like our page on Facebook. Yes, like our page on Facebook and you can get more information from there too. And so, without wasting time, we're going to move on to this topic: how to collect like terms. Yes, how to collect like terms in mathematics, especially equations, questions. Now, what are like terms? First of all, like terms are simply means things that are alike. Yes, things that are alike. For example, you have a particular connection to your family. I have a particular connection to my family. So that's the meaning of like terms. Numbers have a connection to numbers, and letters have a connection to letters. And today we are going to be taking some examples so you can understand properly what I'm talking about. So we have an example here. Example number one. Example number one. Now we'll take a question like this. X plus 4 equal to 5. As you all know, this is an equation. This is an equation question, and our aim is not to solve the full equation. Our aim is just to know how to collect like terms today. Yes, in case you want to learn on how to solve this full equation, I also have the video. That's why I say you subscribe so you can learn more. But for today, we're just learning how to collect like terms in different way. There are different methods in which you can use to collect like terms. But today I'll be teaching basically two. Basically the two easiest methods to collect like terms. In case you don't understand the first, you will understand the second. In case you don't understand the first, you understand the second on how to collect like terms. So, first method, I'll do this. Now, this is how you collect like terms. This is a letter, this is a number, and this is a number. Now, this is a letter, a positive letter, because every numbers in mathematics, every single number indicated in mathematics have a sign. If the sign is not indicated, it is positive. For example, the normal numbers we write as 1, 2, 3, they don't have sign indicated, meaning they are all positive. They are all positive. And the signs are indicated in front of them. The signs are indicated in front of the numbers. The signs are indicated in front of the numbers. Now, seeing that this letter here, the sign is not indicated, meaning it is positive. And for this one that the sign is indicated, it also shows that it's positive. So this is positive 4. This is plus 4. It is not x plus. Don't ever make that mistake. It is not x plus, it is plus 4. So wherever the 4 goes, the plus goes. And this one, there is no sign indicated, so it is plus 5. So wherever the 5 goes, a plus will follow it. Yes, there's no need of showing that. If you start showing all the signs, your work will be too complicated. If you start showing all the signs, your work will be too complicated. But just know it that way, that it is positive. But if it is negative, the sign must be indicated. If it is a negative number, the sign must be indicated. If you remove the negative sign, anybody marking that script will think it is positive. So if it's a negative number, it must show the negative sign. So you know that part, that's for that. Just know it that way. And let's continue. Now, the first method to collecting like terms. Now you see that in this part, I told you the first time that collecting of like terms means everybody to his own side. Numbers have a connection with numbers and letters have a connection with letters. So for this one, you see a letter is at the left side of this man and a number is still there. Numbers and letters are not supposed to be together. You cannot add a number and a letter. You only add numbers and numbers, and practically letters and letters. Now, this letter is here and there's a number with it, and this side there's only a single number. This number can stay on its own because there's no letter disturbing it here. It's good here. There's no letter disturbing this number here, so you leave it that way. Now you have x plus 4 equal to 5. Now to collect like terms, simply take this number to meet this number and leave this letter here. There's no letter to come and meet this letter, so the letter is on its own with its own family, and this number has to go and meet its number family. Now you simply take this number here. So collect like terms. Collect like terms. Sorry for that. Okay, now let's continue. Collect like terms. Now I told you simply take this number and move it here, but something happens when you move that number. Now watch. This is x here. X plus 4. I told you the plus is to the 4. It's not x plus. The plus to the 4. So the 4 is going here to meet his number brother. So the plus goes with it. Now these two things are left. The next thing you see is your equal to. The next thing is your 5, because the plus is coming, the 4 is coming here. So the next thing is your 5. And when it comes here, what does it turn? You don't write plus 4 when it comes here. Note, the sign, when the sign crosses this equal to mark, it changes. Yes, when the sign crosses this equality, it changes. So this plus turns to minus. It turns to minus, and then 4 remains 4. 4 does not change. It remains 4. So the plus turns to minus and 4 remains 4. That's the easy way to solve it. When it crosses over, 4 remains 4, the sign changes because it is crossing this equal to mark. Assuming the 4 was coming from here to the front here, it won't change because it's not crossing any of this mark. But as far as it crosses over this mark here, it turns to minus 4. Okay? It turns to minus 4. And so, to finish this question, you just simply do x 5 minus 4, which is 1. Well, that's now our major focus now. Our focus is just to learn how to collect like terms. How to collect like terms. Now we go to our second example. For this one, we are going to be using the second method for the same question. The second method on how to collect like terms for the same question. Now you have a question like this. X plus 4 equal to 5. X plus 4 equal to 5. Now this is what you simply do. This is plus 4. What are you removing? You are taking plus 4 to meet 5. You want x to remain on its own, and you want plus 4 to go meet its fellow number. Now what do? This is plus 4. What is the opposite of plus 4? Minus 4. Now you simply apply the opposite of what you are looking for at the left and at the right. You know, this thing means equality. Whatever happens here must happen here. For example, you have 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now, if maybe you say, let me put plus 2 here, it's no longer equal to, because 2 plus 2 is supposed to equal to 4. But now, you are not writing 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2, which is not correct. So what you simply do, you added plus 2 here, so you simply add plus 2 here. Easy. You added plus 2 here, so you simply add plus 2 here. So what does that mean? 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2, which is absolutely correct. So that's the simple method we are applying in this next method. The simple procedure we're applying is that you put the negative of this number, don't put the positive. You place the negative of what you are looking for here and here, because if you place it only here, it will no longer be equal to. So whatever you do here, you must do here. Even if you put -1 here and you put -1 here, it will still be balanced. You understand? Just like the example I gave just now. So this minus +4. What is the negative of +4? It's -4. Now you have x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 5 minus 4. I told you put -4 and -4 at left and right. That is the opposite of +4. -4 is the opposite of +4, put it at the left. -4 is the opposite of +4, put it at the right. Now to end this is x. +4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. This is +4. I gave you 4. I added 4 things to your life, and then -4. I took back 4 things. It's 0. Everything is balanced. So this whole equation here, this whole expression is 0. +4 minus 4, 0. So the next thing you have is equal to 5 minus 4. That's the same thing we got here. So you see how easy it is. So whichever method you prefer, you can just move it and change the sign. But if maybe you may forget in changing the sign, you just use the opposite. Put -4 here, put -4 here. If it's +5, put +5 here, put minus. Sorry, if it's +5, put -5 here and put -5 here. It's that easy. You understand what I'm saying? It's that easy. So it's very easy to collect like terms with either of these two methods. These are the two easiest methods you can find. So the more you solve, the more you get used to it. And before you solve this, you already know what to write next. So these are the two easy methods and very easy to solve. So I hope you understand how to collect like terms now. Just move this for the first method, you move it over, remember to change the sign. If it is a minus sign, it must change to plus. If there should be a minus, it will change to plus here. If there should be a minus, it will change to plus, but 4 remains 4. As far as it's crossing over this equal to line, it must change. Now for this other one, 4, remember, if it was -4, it will turn, you will use +4. You must use the opposite. This is +4, don't use +4, +4. This is +4, don't use +4. You must use the opposite. If it is +1, use -1. If it is +1, use -1. If it is +2, use -2. If it is -3, use +3. Use the opposite of the number that you have there in the question. So now I hope you understand these two different methods which you have seen about changing of like terms. So in my next video, we are not through with this topic of collecting of like terms. So we will also learn on how to collect like terms if it is either divide or times. If it's either divide or times. So we're learning how to collect like terms in that manner. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like I said, and like our page so you can also get more information and you can know maths better. So for this one, you also watch the part 2 of this video to know how to collect like terms in times and divide. It's not the same pattern. So when you have multiplication or division in your question, how do you collect like terms? I'm going to be teaching that in the next video, so please subscribe so you don't miss it, and also like and share this video with your friends so they can also learn from it. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Bye bye and take care.